Hello dear students, this is Satish Goyal, lecturer in physics. Welcome back to the video series of 9th biology, lesson 13, why do we fall ill? In this video series, we are going to discuss all 1 mark questions based on this lesson. Students, I would like to tell you that the part 1 of this video has already been discussed, and if you have not seen that part, then you can go to the playlist and watch it. If you have not seen that part, then you can go to playlist of my YouTube channel and then can watch it. In this part of the video, we shall again discuss fill in the blanks from question number 11 to 20th question. And the next videos we shall discuss multiple choice questions. So keep watching. Let's start. 11th question. Name 2 diseases which can be prevented by using vaccines. We have to mention the name of 2 diseases, any 2 diseases which can be prevented by using vaccines. What are these? Polio and tetanus. Polio and tetanus are the 2 diseases which can be prevented by using vaccines. 12th question. Dash disease continues for many days and causes dash on the body. Means you have to tell the type of the disease that causes dash effect on the body. Chronic disease, long term effects. Students, I would like to tell you that there are many kinds of classification for the diseases. When we choose the time period and the curement period for the disease, then we can differentiate the diseases in terms of chronic and acute diseases. Chronic diseases are those diseases which continues for many days and cause long term effect on the body. Okay, very long term, like tuberculosis, etc. Next question. Dash disease continues for a few days and causes no long term effect on the body. Now, this is the second type of the disease, that is acute disease. Let's check for the answer. Yes, acute disease. Acute disease continues for a few days and causes no long term effect on the body. Okay, next question. 14th question. Common cold is a dash disease. Means which type of disease? Either it is spreaded from bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. It is a viral disease. Common cold mainly occurs due to viruses. Okay, next question. 15th question. Many skin diseases are caused by. Students, this question has already been discussed in the last part of the video. So I think you are able to answer this question by yourself. So you need to put the answer of this question in the comment box of the video. So do comment. Next question, 16th question. Malaria is transmitted by dash vector. We have already discussed about the vector. What is vector? Now, which vector is cause of transmission of malaria? You have to tell the name of that vector. Malaria is transmitted by dash vector. That is mosquitoes. Okay, you know mosquitoes are very much primary source, or you can say primary vector of the cause of spread of malaria. Next question, 17th question. Rabies is transmitted by dash vector. Now we have come to rabies and we want to know about that vector which causes rabies. Let's check the answer. Mad dogs. Rabies is transmitted by mad dogs. Okay. Next question. Students, we are discussing the questions and trying to give you the best solution and discussion. If you have any query, then please put your query in the comment box of this video. We shall try to provide you best of our solutions. Elephantiasis is transmitted by dash vector. Students, in the last many questions we are discussing about the vectors and the diseases. This is one of the another diseases. Let's check about the answer. Yes, this is again transmitted with the help of mosquitoes. Elephantiasis is transmitted by the mosquitoes vector. Next question. Name any two groups of microorganisms from which antibiotics could be extracted. That you have to tell the name of any two microorganisms from which antibiotics can be extracted. Bacteria and fungi. You have to tell the name of that group. Bacteria and fungi. Next question. 20th question. ORS. Oral rehydration solution. Oral rehydration solution is given in case of dash disease. You have ever heard about the ORS? Yes, you are right. This is given in case of diarrhea. When there are symptoms of loose motion, doctor generally advise ORS to take with the help of water continuously, especially to the young children or kids. Students, in this video we have discussed question number 11th to 20th question. In the next part, that is part 3rd, we shall discuss multiple choice question, that is 21st question onwards. And if you want to see this video, then the link of this video is given in the playlist of my YouTube channel or in the last of the screen of this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and share this video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.